The world of 360-degree action cameras is gearing up for a significant shift with the highly anticipated release of the Insta360 X5, expected to arrive in the third quarter of 2025. With competition intensifying in the immersive content creation space, Insta360 is set to take things to the next level by 2025, addressing key user demands and enhancing the core capabilities that have made its X-series cameras a favorite among action enthusiasts, vloggers, and professionals. One of the most substantial improvements expected in the Insta360 X5 is the sensor size. The current Insta360 X4 features a 0.5-inch sensor that delivers 72-megapixel 360-degree photos and 18-megapixel in standard shooting modes. While impressive, low-light performance and dynamic range have been areas where users have expressed a need for better results. The X5 is rumored to feature a 1-inch sensor, marking a major step up in image quality. A larger sensor allows for better light intake, reduced noise, and a more pronounced depth of field. This will be a game changer for those looking to capture crisp, detailed footage in challenging lighting conditions. Additionally, the boost in sensor technology should enable an improvement in video resolution. The X4 already supports 8K video recording, but the X5 could push the boundaries further by enhancing the frame rate or implementing better in-camera processing to reduce compression artifacts and maintain higher levels of detail. Users have also requested a higher bitrate option, and Insta360 may deliver in this department to ensure more cinematic results. A consistent request from 360 camera users has been improved audio recording. While the X4 provides voice control and reasonable onboard microphones, the overall audio experience has remained secondary to the camera's visual performance. The Insta360 X5 is expected to introduce improved microphone technology, possibly with an array of omnidirectional microphones designed to capture immersive spatial audio. Another long-awaited feature that could debut in the X5 is better wind noise reduction. Many action camera users record footage in high-motion environments, whether it's biking, surfing, or skiing, where wind noise is a persistent issue. If Insta360 integrates a more advanced algorithm or a secondary external mic option with improved processing, this could significantly enhance the overall user experience for content creators who rely on clear, high-fidelity sound. One of the biggest concerns with 360-degree cameras has always been the vulnerability of their protruding lenses. The X4 introduced removable lens guards to help mitigate this risk, but they weren't a perfect solution. Many users found that scratches were still a major concern, and protective gear was often necessary. The X5 is expected to take things a step further, possibly integrating a more durable coating on the lenses or a built-in retractable lens. If Insta360 can develop a way to enhance the ruggedness of the lenses without compromising image clarity, it would solve one of the major pain points of 360-degree camera users. Additionally, we may see improvements in lens sharpness and coatings that reduce glare and reflections, issues that can sometimes be problematic in bright conditions. One of the defining features of Insta360's cameras has been their industry-leading flow state stabilization. The Insta360 X4 already delivered incredibly smooth footage, making gimbal-free operation seamless. However, given the rapid pace of advancements in digital stabilization, the X5 could introduce even better horizon leveling, dynamic stabilization modes, and AI-powered motion correction. AI has been a huge focus for Insta360, especially in its post-processing software. The X5 is likely to expand on this by offering more intelligent editing features, automatic subject tracking, and even AI-assisted content creation tools that help users frame and edit their footage with minimal effort. If Insta360 integrates cloud-based AI processing, it could enable automated editing suggestions or real-time enhancements for those editing on mobile devices. Battery life and overheating have been challenges for all high-performance cameras, and the X4 was no exception. While it offered decent battery longevity, Intensive shooting modes, especially in 8K, tended to drain the battery quickly and generate excess heat. The X5 is expected to feature improved power efficiency, likely through a combination of a higher capacity battery and better thermal management. A redesigned cooling system could be key here. If Insta360 can optimize heat dissipation through a more efficient internal design, it will allow users to shoot for longer durations without the camera overheating or throttling performance. This would be particularly beneficial for users capturing long-form content or those relying on the camera in high-temperature environments. Another anticipated upgrade for the Insta360 X5 is the inclusion of built-in GPS. While previous models relied on external accessories for GPS functionality, integrating it directly into the camera would be a welcome addition for adventure filmmakers and sports enthusiasts who want to geotag their footage seamlessly. In addition to GPS, we may see improvements in wireless connectivity, faster Wi-Fi speeds, better Bluetooth stability, and possibly even a 5G-ready variant could make transferring large 360-degree files much more efficient. This would be especially useful for professionals working in fast-paced environments where rapid content sharing is necessary. As Insta360 continues to solidify its dominance in the 360-degree camera market, pricing will play a crucial role in the X5's reception. The X4 debuted at around $500, offering a solid balance of features and affordability. However, with the expected upgrades in the X5, particularly a larger sensor, better stabilization, and improved audio, industry experts predict a starting price closer to $600. This positions the X5 competitively, especially when compared to rivals like the GoPro Max lineup and DJI's rumored entry into the 360 camera market. Insta360 will likely continue its aggressive approach by bundling accessories or offering trade-in deals to make the upgrade more appealing to existing users. If we examine the historical release pattern of Insta360's cameras, the timeline suggests a mid to late 2025 launch for the X5. The X3 arrived in September 2022, followed by the X4 in April 2024, indicating a roughly 18-month upgrade cycle. Based on this pattern, the X5 is expected to hit shelves sometime in Q3 2025, aligning with the industry's trend of fall camera releases. The Insta360 X5 is shaping up to be a compelling successor to the X4, with significant enhancements in sensor technology, audio quality, stabilization, durability, and battery life. If these improvements materialize, the X5 could set a new standard in 360-degree content creation, making it a must-have for professionals and enthusiasts alike. As we edge closer to its release, the excitement continues to build. Will the Insta360 X5 redefine the landscape of immersive video? What do you think? Share with us in the comments. Thanks for watching.